Previously on Sailing Zatara.
We took you to 3 different countries in one episode, discussed how dating works on our boat, made some foolish decisions during a screecher incident, which actually turned out all right, and rounded it out with another Q&A from the old man, who finds it unfair that he can't have 5 Bond girls on his boat.
I tell you a story about me and you, out on the water, surrounded by the blue. They scream that only I'll be saved. They toss off the line, but I just let it float away. Yeah, I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. Float away, float away. Yeah, I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away.
Lily and Kate are on roving fender duty.
I got my rope, I got my fender.
Get it, bro, get it.
Chuck it! Yeah!
There you go.
Alright, go to the front. Now that you listen to us, it works.
Jack, tie that off right there, Jack, and then go up to the front, because that's what's keeping us from going back into whiz.
We might need to keep a fender here, Dad.
Well, tie it off like I showed you.
Hey, Finn, just make it get...
Once we arrived, we got checked into Tonga, found a good anchorage, and immediately began to play. We'd been here before and knew we wanted to do this wreck dive again. The 400-foot vessel caught fire and sank in 1927, and it sits in about 30 meters of water, which is around 90 feet. Then we moved on to explore the caves. So what do you think's wrong with this one?
I don't know. It overheated.
Well, that's our last generator, right?
Yeah.
How else do you charge batteries? The engine?
Yeah.
But you can't, like, run the oven and stuff, or
No, you wouldn't be able to run the oven.
what about the water maker?
Wouldn't be able to run the water maker.
Eek. That's not good.
No, honey, it's something simple. Just gotta. Okay.
This have to happen at night.
Tell me what you're thinking. You got
No, it's just the impeller. The old impeller was wore out,
no,
and it has an override to shut it off.
and you had a new one. I saw you just opened it, right?
Yeah, I got a new one.
Sweet.
No wonder you need a new one. You like run that generator like every day.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's the only generator we got right now. The other one's broken. We won't have parts to fix it until Fiji.
So it's just the impeller, auto safety, auto off features kicked in. Shut the generator down. It's just the impeller.
Hey, you love doing mechanical work at 11 o'clock at night?
Love it. Love a rainy night.
It's not rainy. You're not Eddie Rabbit.
I'm not Eddie Rabbit, and you're no Glenda Ronstadt. Glenda Ronstadt.
Linda Ronstadt. So we just moved to a different anchorage here in Tonga, another place this morning.
Jack's coming out.
Today is Saturday, I think, here in Tonga. It's Friday in the States, but we're gonna go diving. There's supposedly a really pretty coral reef or something here, so we're gonna go check it out.
So we're running back up to Niafu. The weather kind of closed in on us to get down to the Hapai group. We've been doing some great diving. Jack got in a kite session today. The wind's been kind of fluky, and but we had some great diving, some great beautiful places. I love Tonga. I could spend a year or two here, but I can't. But we're gonna get our extra passenger Lily down to the airport in Tonga Topu, and by the 29th. So we're just waiting on a little weather window to get down a little farther south. We're gonna go back to Niafu. So I've been still dealing, I think, with a kidney stone out here. It started back in American Samoa. Maybe it started on the passage from Tahiti to American Samoa. And I've only ever had one before, and it was a painful ordeal. And this one's been kind of painful, but not too bad. And I've just been drinking lots of water, and I think it's going away. I think it's passing. But I still feel like I gotta pee every 5 seconds, even though I don't gotta pee. But and we met Gone with the Winds, believe it or not. Nikki and Jason, what wonderful people they are. If you guys don't watch their channel, please click on the link to go to their channel. Great couple. Also, we met another channel called Expedition Drenched. They are a scuba diving channel with a sailboat, and Nate and Jordan are wonderful people. Also, in a couple of weeks on the Winds, you're gonna have a little surprise. We did a Pineapple Cup dinghy race between the Winds dinghy, our dinghy, and Expedition Drenched's dinghy.
Preppies forever! Yeah,
It was the preppies against the scuba freaks against us hillbillies. Some of us went all out in full costume. I won't say who. I'm just so excited about this opportunity to make a difference in the community and to really represent the Zatara name.
And the winds have been so nice. They're such beautiful people.
Oh, they are so nice. They're so friendly. Are you ready for this?
I am ready for this. I'm gonna top off right quick.
Get you some liquid courage there, buddy.
Yeah! All right, let's go.
However, you'll have to wait a few weeks to see the full race footage, so hop over to the Winds channel and stay tuned to find out who the winner is. Hey Anna,
Hello.
what you doing?
Working on the website.
Sweet.
The Zatara website.
Sweet.
'Cause right now it's ugly.
Yeah, we haven't focused much on it. But we're starting. By the time this video airs, our website should have lots of new stuff. Head over to sailingzatara.com and click on Gear in the upper right-hand corner. Here you'll find categories that will take you to some of our favorite products, things you've probably seen in a video. From the categories, you'll find individual items we currently use or have used. Click on the item and it'll take you directly to where you can purchase it. Most of them are affiliate links, and at no additional cost to you, we will earn a commission if you decide to make a purchase. Please know that we have experience with all of these products, and we recommend them because they're helpful and useful, not because of the small commissions we make if you decide to purchase something. If there's something you're interested in that's not on the website, just drop a comment or send us an email. We'll get Anna right on it. You gonna learn to play the guitar? Update on my plants. They are looking terrible. I don't know what to do.
Get wrecked.
Yeah.
Look at him.
See him. He's trying to play guitar.
I guess so.
Tonga is a Polynesian kingdom of more than 170 islands. We began our Tongan adventure in the northern Vavau group and slowly made our way south. We had a couple of days of rain and fog, so it was nice to just slow down and chill out.
The rhythm was good. That's what was very important. Here, do it again.
That's good.
It's just what I got.
What I got? Was that Nirvana?
Yeah.
Very good.
Do the other one. That's Super Tramp one.
Wow, look at your shirt. It's awesome.
Yeah. It's just a sailing channel that I watch.
Just some cheesy channel.
It must be really weird and really
Will you wait a second? Okay, so how has your time been here so far? You've been here like a month. It seems like forever.
Man, it's flown by. I don't even feel like it's been on my face.
Oh, hey, no, not on camera. Your parents will freak out.
I don't know. You guys feel like family now.
We do. I know. It's like I have another daughter.
I know.
Yee.
Hopefully your favorite daughter.
Favorite daughter, of course.
Because you know.
She's such a pain.
And
She's so annoying.
tell everybody that you do respect the rules. Y'all aren't in the same room alone ever.
He'll sit outside my room. And
He
then I'll be in
does.
my room, and he'll just sit there and wait for me to be done doing whatever I'm doing. Then he'll come back out.
They're such good kids. Oh, group hug. Yay. All right, Finn, play your music. Sing your song.
He's gonna have both of us.
Push it.
Alright, Finn, hop out of there. Hop out.
Hold on, phone. Oh, I see it. Oh, yeah, wait, let go. Okay. Now push. Really? Yeah.
Well, slide it to the side.
Next to the.
The other one, yeah.
We're just gonna set it next to this one.
We're just preparing for an emergency
Put those
departure.
right there, guys. So
All right.
you guys
Should we
put
get
those
tied
right
down
over
on this
there.
end?
No, it'll be fine. I'll just hold
All
right
right.
here.
Will you take that flag down so it doesn't
Yes, ma'am.
come apart and shred? It's kind of windy out.
Hey, got him.
Thank you, baby. Woo! We got
Make the power go fine.
30 knots of wind and it's raining.
30 knots.
Well, it was 32 just a second ago.
Dead gum, dead gum, dead gum, dead gum, dead gum. Oh my god, that's a lot of wind. Lots of wind.
Turn the deck lights on for me. Turn the deck lights on.
Go, jump in the water. Jump
Oh my god.
It's cold.
Do you think we're dragging?
No. No.
Tune in next week as we make our way south, come across some amazing creatures, and continue to enjoy our time in Tonga.